Hey guys, welcome to my channel and January 2021 bullet journal setup. I'm starting with January spread with monthly goals, followed by the weekly spread, and then keeping a couple of pages for workout and mindful eating. And at last, keeping 2 pages for monthly gratitude. So let's get started. So the first page that I'm designing is January cover page and it's a watercolor painting. You can use any watercolor you have and I'm painting a snowy mountain. I started by applying even coat of water and after that I'm applying blue and purple. I'm sketching mountain with directly my brush. If you are not comfortable, you can always draw it first with the pencil and just follow it with the brush. Here I am trying to give like more realistic view by adding some shadows. Brush is holding more water than the color. So after my first layer is dry, I am trying to highlight the mountain by adding some darker color in the sky. And now again my brush is having more water than the black color and I'm trying to add first layer of the pine trees. So you don't really need to give any more details here because we will be anyways adding more pine trees on top of this. So we are adding one more layer of pine trees and for this you need to have more pigment in your brush compared to the water. Now you can take some white color and add it on the mountain to show the snow effects. As you can see, like our mountains are still not super highlighted. So what I'm doing is I'm again taking blue and going over the sky one more time. I added a big pine tree on the right hand side of the painting and I'm planning to keep left side completely blank because I want to add a calendar. If you are not planning to add that, you can always add more to pine trees or house. So here is the final painting. After taking a picture, I'm just trying to play around some brightness, exposure and saturation level. By the way, you can download this digital print for free. So I have added a link in my description. Feel free to get one of your copy and add it to your journal. I did some minor changes like adding a January on top and adding a calendar. And here is the final one. I got a printout of my painting and I'm just adding it to my journal. On the next page, I am setting some monthly goals. I'm using Karin Markers for this and I'm sticking to the same colors that I used on the left hand side painting. Also, I added a masking tape on top so that I can have the similar space on both the pages. So for this month, my monthly goal is to focus more on my work as well as health. So I'm keeping those two sections. So on the next page, I'm going with a weekly spread, and for that I'm using Karin Markers and I'm just going with a random pattern. So this next two pages, I'm keeping it for my workout as well as mindful eating. I am basically going to add a calendar in which I'm going to mark how many times a week or a month I did this workout and I did not eat anything from outside. So that's my goal, to be healthy in 2021. So these are the final and last pages of this month, and I'm keeping it for adding like my gratitude list. At last, here is the final flip through of this January journal. Thank you so much for watching it, guys, and let me know your thoughts in the comment below.